Graham Allen here, the editor of Gunmark magazine on the FX Airgun stand. This is the brand new FX Dreamline pre-charged pneumatic. It can be configured in a variety of formats. You've got the same basic action here, which is a side lever multi-shot action with a shrouded barrel, which is one of the smooth twist barrels which are winning nearly all of the bench rest competitions in the United States, pretty much year on year. You've got a regulated action. So in this configuration you've got a beautiful worn-up ambidextrous stock. If you don't fancy the configuration here, you can change it into a bullpup by having the trigger unit moved forward by a bar under here and dropping it into a bullpup stock, and then the scope is fitted to this reach forward rail that's mounted on the receiver here, and a cheek piece fits over the back of the action, so it's not with an aluminium receiver on your face. And up the top here you can configure it like this. So if you fancy one of these with a skeleton stock and a drop down pistol grip, but not a bullpup, and a full length rifle, so you've got the pressure gauge on the side, 177 or 22. These will be available later on this year. So that's the FX Dreamline pre-charged pneumatic.